What's up guys, Abu here and this is Whilelab YouTube channel, and here we are with day 24 of 30 days of code, and this is more linked lists. So we've covered linked lists already in multiple episodes in this series, but today's video or today's challenge is something new and something cool. So let's jump in. Alright, so the input would be a linked list, and this linked list would be in a non-decreasing order. What does that mean? Is numbers only increase, never decrease. So let's take this for example. It would be 1, 2, 2, 3. Now by this moment at 3 you will never find a number less than 3 moving forward. So that's good to know, because we are going to solve this right now. So let's first draw the linked list that we have, which is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. I've drawn it here, so it looks something like this. And we have this class called node, which has two types of data: the data in this node and the data for the next node. So this node, for example, which is the head, would have data for the next node, which is the 2, and would have the data of the node itself, which is the 1. Great. So now what we want to do is we'll start here, okay, with the head. As you can see here, if I just reset this, as you can see here, we'll start with the head. Now the head is the first number in the list. We want to check if the next number, okay, from the point we are in, is the same as the number we are in. So let's say we will start over here. Let's say we are now right here, okay. We want to check the second number. The second number, is it the same as the number we are in? If no, then great, link it, okay. Then we would come, now we are at this link at this node. Now we'll check this, we'll compare this with the second node. We'll see, okay, it's the same, so we want to remove the duplicates. So we'll skip this one and go to the one after it. Now at this point we are at 3, so we are now reading from here, so we'll read the next for this. So we'll read it, we will compare them, we will find out that they are the same, so we'll skip this and we'll link it right to here. And what the result, our result would be 1, 2, 3 and 4, which as you can see here, the sample output 1, 2, 3 and 4, the sample input is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4. Alright, so let us write the code over here. So first we want to make node equals head. So we want to deal with this, the head, as a normal node. Then we want to get into a while loop that checks if there is a next. So as long as there is a next node, so as the point, once we are here, then there will be no next, so the while loop will stop. That's the first thing. Then if node dot next, or sorry, node dot data, that means if the node we are in right now, we at the first loop we will be at the head. Now check if the data, which is the 1, equals the node dot next dot data. That means if the data of this node equals the data of the next node, which is this, so is 1 equals 2, which would be no, then node, okay, then node dot next equals node dot next dot next. So if we are, for example, at this point, if we are at this node and we check if the next node is, if the data of the next node is the same, then we would make the next node is the one after it, so it would link right there to the 3. Else node equals node dot next, and then we return the head of our list so it can print them. So let's run the code. Perfect. Let's submit the code now. Congratulations guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe and enable the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos, and see you in the next one. Peace out.